How you doing, sir?
Good. Got a little problem though.
Why?
Well, fireworks ordinance.
It's a federal holiday, Columbus Day, day before the day of the day after. 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. 10 federal holidays. It's just a camera.
Why, are you worried about me doing something or what?
Nope, just
Huh?
videotaping the show here tonight. Just videotaping the show here tonight.
It's Columbus Day today?
It's tomorrow, and you can shoot them off the day before, the day of, and the day after. And this is private property.
Real 25. Put me on at 45.
I have the house bills if you'd like to look at them. I could show them to you. We're almost done here, though.
Well, I'll have to check into that. You might be right on
Okay.
that.
I looked into it. I did my research.
Is that why you got the camera?
Yes, sir.
So you think I'm going to do something wrong or what?
I just want to make sure that I'm in my rights.
Hold on. So I can do that? Or I can
do
take it in
whatever
front of
you
the car?
You can do whatever you'd like to do. This is
How much more you got?
just that last row and we're done.
That's done?
Yep.
Probably like 4 minutes maybe.
Yeah.
Damn good show.
Thank you, sir.
How much money you spent?
You're looking around close to $1,000.
$1,000 for all
Yeah.
that?
Yeah.
Retail value.
Yeah, but we buy wholesale, so
Whose lot is this
case
right here?
pricing. This would be the gentleman that owns that house right there, and he gave us permission to use his lot. And I live right
What's
there.
going off now?
There'll be some 500 grams. We got Red October, massive crackle. They go about 150 feet, 50-foot spreads.